guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I get my faux bun. I just washed my hair, so let's just get right into it. So my hair is freshly washed, and you can do it on dirty hair, but my hair was really dirty, so I was like, let me just clean it because at this point it's flaking. Okay, a little nasty. I'm using Eco Styler gel. I will say that you should use whatever you use to hold your hair best. Like if you use Eco Styling gel, if you use, I know some people use the black Gotta Be glue. Whatever you use, you should use that for this. I'm not home, so they have Eco Styler gel, so that's what we're using. So I just start putting it all through my hair, and you just want to make sure your hair gets covered as much as it can. Then you're going to take a little brush and I just brush it back because I'm doing a high top knot, so you just want to make sure you brush it in the direction that you want it to go. You know what I'm saying? And be generous with the gel. I will say I just like randomly did this last week, and I was like, oh, this is a vibe. So as you guys can see, I'm just using my hands, and I'm just gonna comb out some of the back so that it lays flatter. This is easier on like old hair because it's stretched out more. Because when I first had done it, I think I had taken out braids or something, so my hair was already stretched out, so it was like super easy to do. Yeah. So now you just need a scrunchie. Where's my scrunchie, Jesus? Right, so you need a scrunchie. So you want to position your hair as far up as you want the bun to sit, and you want to make sure it's like tight, because this is the foundation. So I just put it like that, and then I usually can see like, okay, we're not looking crazy. Okay, now to the fun part. So we have our bun together, kinda. So I take this hair to make my bun, and I have like how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is about 6 pieces. This is the same hair that you can do faux locks with. So I did do faux locks, and I had extra hair, so I was like, oh, we got to make this a bun. So this is what mine looks like. If you want a bigger bun, use more hair. If you want a smaller bun, use less hair. You feel me? So this is how I attach it to my head. I have a broken scrunchie, which I would advise just to use a regular scrunchie, but mine broke, and I don't have a new one. So I just go in and I tie the scrunchie like that. I grab a bobby pin and I just pin it. And this is when it gets serious. So you want to take the hair, and the way I do it is I lay it over my actual hair. So I lay it over my actual hair, and then I wrap it, then I just wrap it around. And I'm wrapping it low, so you can see right there. It's already starting to form our little top knot. And then as I'm twirling it around, I just start pinning it. So you want to pin the back of it. Then I see like some of my hair. I see some of this hair there. Okay. Sorry y'all, the mirror is here. So I just start pinning the hair on there. And you want to just pin it to secure it, and also it helps blend it in better. So after you've done that, you're going to do your baby hairs, which is my favorite part. So you're just going to take like a toothbrush, just start finessing a little. There we go. And like I said, if you want a bigger bun, just use more hair. I don't really want my bun that big because it's hard to fit in my car. So the way my car is set up, it just starts to get uncomfortable. But I always do my baby hairs last. So you just kind of want to make sure everything's secure. And then I'm going to tie it up. Again, I would definitely recommend that y'all do this on dirty hair. It's just so much easier. But still cute. You still cute though. So then you have that. This is key. You really want to tie your hair for at least like 10 minutes. Because especially if your hair is freshly washed, it's still wet. So I always tie my hair. Don't do it too tight because it'll mess your edges up. But I always tie my hair down. And then we'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished result. Boom!